You wouldn't see a blue planet. You'd see a world on fire. The ground beneath you wouldn't be solid. It would be an endless ocean of molten rock, glowing orange and white, with temperatures hot enough to melt almost anything we know today. Above, the sky wouldn't be blue. It would be pitch black, hidden behind towering clouds of volcanic ash, toxic gases, and steam. There was no oxygen to breathe, no rain, no oceans, no continents. Only chaos. Earth formed about 4.54 billion years ago, inside a swirling disk of gas, dust, rock, and metal surrounding our newborn sun. Tiny particles collided. They became pebbles. Pebbles became boulders. Boulders became mountain-sized worlds. Over millions of years, gravity pulled these objects together in a process called accretion, slowly building our planet, one violent collision at a time. But every impact released enormous amounts of energy. The larger Earth became, the hotter it grew. Eventually, the entire planet melted. Imagine an object the size of Mars crashing into Earth every few thousand years. That wasn't unusual. It was normal. Deep inside this inferno, something extraordinary was happening. Heavy metals like iron and nickel began sinking toward the center, while lighter rocks floated upward. Earth was separating itself into layers, forming the metallic core, the mantle, and the first fragile crust. That hidden iron core would later generate Earth's magnetic field, protecting our planet from the solar wind and helping preserve the atmosphere that life would one day depend on. But Earth's greatest challenge was still ahead. A giant world was racing toward the young planet. The collision would be so powerful that it would reshape Earth forever and create the moon.